Hi, welcome to the PageFly video tutorial series. In this video, we will guide you how to set up product variant swatches element in PageFly. This element will help to show your product information section in a more attractive way. Don't forget that we have 24/7 in-app live chat, so you can reach out anytime if you need assistance. To set up product variant swatches, you need to access PageFly add-ons from the dashboard. Click Option Swatches here. Click Add Option Swatch. The Select Option box pop-ups. And it will show all variant options of your products. In this case, the products in my store have two variants, that are color and size. Firstly, with the color variant, you can see the data is automatically synced with variants of products that you updated in Shopify. All you need is to choose the display type here. There are 6 display types you can choose. I click on color type. Then you need to update the color code of each color variant. After everything is done, click Save. Similarly to the size variant. Choose display type, for example label. Click Save. Now we will open one product page and see how the variant swatches show on the page. The product variant element is showing as default. You need to disable this option if you want to see variant options of the product. In the General tab, you can also change the option layout to horizontal. Change option spacing or swatches spacing. Switch this button to hide/show the variant label. Here there is also a shortcut, so that you can quickly access swatches management, if you want to change the setting of variant options. If you want to customize the variant label, simply click on it. And do in the Styling tab. Click the Swatch option, go to the Styling tab and you can customize its normal and selected state. For example, with normal state, I will adjust border radius to create round color swatches. With the selected state, by default, there is a black border when the swatch variant is selected. You can change the color of the border. Or remove it. Now it's good to go ahead and publish the page. And check the live page. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.